And here we are, our first look at our brand new Professional Series Hoover upright I've been dying to have. Has a huge red bag with a Type A HEPA bag in there. 4 positions with indicator. Can't wait to see those 2 LEDs back there. Hadn't seen it yet. Huge, very heavy duty cord, very big. Nice big red zipper bag. Underneath, nice metal plate. 4 brush strips. Kind of stiff. Looks like it was made 0510, May of 10. And here we go. There's the foot switch. Dang. That's a huge bag. Purrs like a kitten. Great suction. Oh, that's working real good. The lights kind of fade out as it goes off. That was pretty cool. Well, very happy with this, people. Till soon.